Hey guys, we're back. Wedding album Wednesday. This one is of our BFFs. Well, one of mine. I've got two. He probably has two too. Anyway, and this is Mac and Melinda. You've seen those in previous videos, and Pop Up again. So this background is going to be this, and these black ones are velvety. I don't know if you could tell that. Pretty sure you can't. Was that just white one? Okay. So, oh, nope. Let's see. I could probably fit one of these on this scrippy scrap piece. Let's flip it. Alright, so let's get this layering done. I don't think I'm going to use the white. I do like that though, because the other page, if you saw the week before, have these in them as well, so it will tie it all together. I'm going to use a border on this one, I think, so that's why I'm leaving a little bit of extra space there. Going simple with my layers this time, because I didn't bring anything else out to layer with. Now, I probably should use a stronger adhesive because these are velvety, but I'm not going to worry a whole lot with it. And we shall put the border on. Oh. Yeah, that one looks better. The adhesive on the other one's not quite right. Put one on this side. Nope. Let's put this one on this side. See if I like it. There we go. Wedding day. I don't think I'm gonna get to use that one. Alright, let's look at our stickers. Come on out. There we go. Is it going to be weird to have family on both one? Family? Is that family on the other one? Yeah, that is. It's my album. I'll do what I want to. Well, that's not gonna work, is it? Us? I don't know. I don't like that. Shall we go ahead and use this up? Okay, where's the other pack? Is it gonna be weird with this one up here? Let's see. Maybe that's a little bit better because it's staggered. I don't really know. It might just be ugly altogether. Here's a gold. So it can kind of see the family there. Excuse me. Sorry. Still a little bit under the weather here. Nah, I don't like that. Okay. What's this go to? Oh, these. Okay. Don't think I need any more words. I could put something under here. Oh, here we go. Always. I think I put the same exact saying on the other one, but what are you gonna do? Okay, what about these here doo-wobbies I'm trying to get rid of? Trying to go to not have, I mean, I know I'm going to have some stuff left over, but I'm trying to have as little stuff from this album, all the stuff I bought, as possible, obviously. And with that being said, there are some things I still haven't even opened. So, here we are. Man, these things don't stick to their... I can't even say that because they just might be really old, in all honesty. Okay. Do we need any cameras? I don't think that will match. No. Ooh, yes, it left a spot. Looks like that's staying now. All right. Well, you guys, we are almost done with this album. I appreciate all of you, if any of you have really stuck through. And if you haven't, I don't care anyway. I'm glad you're here today. I think I'm done with this. I'm not going to add anything else. I feel like the background is busy enough. So, alright guys. Anywho, I'll see you next time. Have a great rest of your week. Bye!